Hello, Shopify team. In this video, I will explain more about our app SyncTec. Initially, we will start with a source store. Just for an easier setup, we will start with a source store, and we will connect another destination store to our source store. So as we can see here from the link, this is another store than the one we are logged in. So we will try to connect this StoreForge test 2 to our team here in my Noxbridge team. So what we do first, so this is the first screen that the users see. We will get started, join existing team. If you choose to create a new team, it will create a new team, and you will be placed as a source store in this team. But currently we will just join an existing team. So here it will request from us a team ID. The team ID always lives in the settings. You will have here the team ID. You can copy it and give it to the store you want to join your team. And then he enters the team ID here, request to join. And then he will be facing this screen until someone lets him into the team. Okay. So in the source store page, you will see that we have a new request here, StoreForge test 2. You can either accept or reject the store, but for now we will accept. Okay. And in real time, it will tell you that you joined the team successfully. And now we can use the app as a destination store. So the idea of this app is for stores that have multiple stores, or for example, in our case, we have like our warehouse, and we have other stores that we want to connect it to the same warehouse. So when we have like an example, an order in our in one of our stores, it always affects all our inventory levels across all the stores. So we always have our inventory in sync, and also we have some of our friends who want to connect to our warehouse and like sell our products on our behalf. So this is like a solution we will be using in order to achieve this. So the idea also here is that we have source store and a destination store. The source store is always a single source of truth. So any change in the product details or in the inventory in the source store should always reflect on all destination stores. So the source store will always be respected as a single source of truth for product details and inventory levels. So once the user is in, of course he will see this tutorial, but since I opened it before, it didn't show. But as a source store, when a new store joins, you should add him to a location group. So from here we add the new store we have to the new location group. So we know which warehouse we should reflect the inventory levels on. Also, this app supports multi-location sync. So, for example, we have two warehouses, one in Dubai, one in New Zealand. So we connect them all together here. Now any change in inventory in source store will reflect on our new store, StoreForge test 2. Okay. And now as a destination store, you can, of course, see the products of the source store and also import them into your website, into your Shopify admin. So, for example, here we have this is store which we just connected. We can import the products from source store into our new store. So from here we made a bulk import. You can also use all the filters here in order to filter. And from here we can see that the import is completed. Once we refresh, we can see the products we just added with their inventory levels, of course. Okay. And all of the product details, including images, description, title, tags, type, vendor, also meta fields if exist, category and category meta fields, shipping details, everything. Also, we have here the feature called sync lock. The sync lock is like telling the website that if there is any change in the source store, in the product details of the source store, it should reflect to the destination store immediately. Of course, from the settings, you can choose which fields to sync lock exactly. For example, you can choose only to sync the title, description, tags, images, etc. It depends on what you want to lock with the source store exactly. So from here you can choose which fields to lock. So this is for the products. Of course, you can unsync if you just if you don't want to connect your inventory with the source store on this particular product. Also, we have the same thing with collections. You can also, as you can see here in our store, Forge Test 2 does not have any collections. You can import the collections of the source store. It imports even if it is manual or smart collections, including their sort order. Also, if the collection is imported and you want to resync it, you can click on the re-import, so it syncs with the source store again.